Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. If you're not familiar with the sidecar concept, then please check out the video in the playlist. It will make understanding and solving the question much simpler. So, come to the question. You have a deployment named my app in the default namespace. Less typing required as it is in default namespace. This deployment has a single container named my app which write log message to a file. A file is given text every second. Currently there is no mechanism to tell or view the log. So add a sidecar container and name is add a sidecar container to existing deployment named a log shipper. So don't write a name sidecar because especially log shipper is mentioned. This container must use the image alpine latest. Run the following command which tail the logs. Both the container must share a volume /opt okay mtdir. If it is not written, then also you must check the volume. If volume is there, don't worry. If volume is not there, you should write and mount the volume also. You don't need or delete the modify the original my app container, so you need not do any changes, and it is run as a sidecar container and not the init container. So it run parallel with the container, not like a init container that work is finished then they exited. So I will go here, I will type sidecar, so you will find a first link in examination. Most of the time this link will be there, so you need not worry for anything. So what I will do, I'll just copy from here, copy, and I'll make scenario. Okay, and just to add a little complexity, I will add few environment variables. Okay, and I'll apply k apply -f. So now the scenario is ready. Let's check the scenario. So first thing you need to k hyphen n name is an default. I always prefer to write in this specific manner so that you would never forget the name space. So get deployment apps. So here is my app. So get pod is running. If you are adding sidecar container, then it will become 2 and 2 out of 2 must be ready. So first step is always to take a backup. So if something goes wrong, then you are safe. You can restart and do again. So my app -o YAML, and then I take backup 2 times. First is touch and second is not touch. So scenario, and question number as I say it's a 2. So dot touch dot YAML. Okay, and here no touch dot YAML. Okay, I'll cat it so I'm sure that backup is with me and no worries. So Control L, and once again get deployment app. So I need to edit, and which deployment app? My app. So first thing, you should not scroll up and down because remote desktop is slow. So colon and / type spec and then enter, and then n. So you are there with container. Now you have to add a second container. Okay, and but here you are not, here volume is not there. So before spec, I suggest /volume. No volume is not there. So again /spec, enter, and okay, you got here. So there are two spec. So volume must be added in the container sections. Means it's above the container section because it's a pod section. So here volumes. So name is there with volumes. So in sidecar container you can check volumes is in with the container and name and data. So hyphen names, name is data, and here is a mount path. So if this type of thing happen, you escape and press U and redo the things again. Volumes, name, data, and mount empty dir, and then now volume mount is required. So here you volume mounts, you look for the volume mounts. Volume mounts is here and data is opt is here. So you can copy it from here also and paste. So I'll delete this line you should practice many more times so that you will be expert. At least 20 times I suggest you practice this question, because 50% of the time you will find errors. Now need to add second container. So here you need to start adding second container. Above the DNS policy, name, check whether name is given or not. If not given, then you can use sidecar, but name is given, then you should provide the name. And then image, you should not write your own image, because in CK examination everything is well explained and mentioned. Now commands. So here is a tailf command, but you need to write it bin sh, because Alpine container run with the bin sh. If busybox is there, sh. If busybox is there, then you have to write bin/sh and the same command paste. You should be very careful, because there is no space. You should not left with any space. Properly this is in quote, this C is also in quote, and tail F or whatever things are right in a single quote. Okay. Now you add volume mounts. So volume mounts, you can add it from here or you can add it from there also, because try to write it by your own, because if you write, then in copy and paste we do some mistakes, and that mistake could be terrible. So confirm once again. If everything is right, then it will save. Otherwise it will save in a temporary file. This status, if you delete from here to last, then also okay, but no need. WQ and then save. So I think I had done some mistakes. So review that spec volumes, VOLUMES, name mtdir, container sh, okay, command images, image Alpine latest, volume mounts, data, name log shipper. Look, in a hurry I forget that I should start from here. Here is the first container. So here is the first container. So what I'm saying that you should write, you should do this question so much time, means many times. So just test where this cursor is in the same place. Okay, so just up and down from C, just press that first container start from here, and second same, and DNS policy is same. So now I think it's everything is good. I'll save. Well, it is edited properly. Don't worry if it not saved. It will, suppose I'll do any mistakes. First I'll check if everything is get pod, 2 pod is running, and this will terminate after the grace period. So describe, get deployment. Okay, it's good, cool. Now I describe and default describe my app deployment, my app. So you'll find two first image, and this is the log shipper, second first container, second container. Okay, great. The is solved, but I'll show one thing. Means here at the time of edit, okay, if I do any mistakes, suppose here in image I'll not passed anything, WQ, and it's edited. Okay, we'll do some another mistakes, like spell mistake of here, I'll WQ, so it will save in a, okay, so it will temporary saved, and now you can edit that file and correct the mistake. Here image, if you see that image is mistaken a latest, so that mistake's impact is your deployment 1-2 pod will not be ready, only single pod will be ready. So here I had done a mistake, volume mount. I'll here make S and WQ. If you apply kubectl edit 1.3, so this is configured. If you'll get deployment, get pods, so you'll find this thing, second container image pullback error. So you need to correct this, correct that file once again, or you can edit the, means both way you can do these things. Where the image is Alpine latest, and either change this image to Alpine latest, okay, and then WQ. So now we'll get pod 7. Now one is what I'm doing means let's check for few, get pod -w, still image pullback error. by ALPINE latest, ALPINE latest, volume mount, okay, volume mounts, Alpine latest, volume mount, everything is good to go. I'll delete this status, wgive kget or w. This should not happen. Image pullback error is only deal with the image. So I'll delete. Oh, appline is there. So I will copy it from here, paste. I'll both here is correct, but I'll paste. WQ now should be ready. Yes, now it's working. So look, only this ALPINE or ALIPNE means only a image name got in a lot of trouble. So be careful when you are typing in examination, because I do have a time to troubleshoot, but you won't. And don't spend much time. If you stuck in a single question, you will lost your exam. So if one question takes a lot of time, leave it. There is plenty of question to solve. If you solve 12 questions perfectly, you are at least you can pass. So this is the result. So thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet in next session. Thank you so much.